Man, it's really rainy in Mexico City here today. But it's beautiful though. It's awesome. As of today, this car right here is no longer my daily. We're finally committing and we're starting today. So, because this car is not gonna be my daily when Victoria is using this, I've got to get all my sendage out of the body. And plus it's rainy, which, I mean, it's funny that it's rainy in Mexico and here, ironically, rain means free tires, so that's always fun. It feels like it's been such a long time. I've been waiting so long for some of these parts. I'm so excited. We received this massive guy a couple weeks ago. This thing's actually heavy. I didn't want to start the build without one, having something to daily, and two, well, I just didn't want the car to be down for weeks. We've all been waiting for a while now for one certain part, actually 3 parts to get here, and they're finally here. They showed up on my doorstep a little earlier this week, and I couldn't be more excited, guys. Let's go ahead. I can't wait to unbox this. This is from MA Performance. Let's go. All right. Oh, wiener pipe. I've got a box here. It's a silicone tube. That's some papers. Turbo Smart. What the hell is this? Is that a freaking CD or that's so tiny. They give me a blow-off valve with this? They did. They gave me a blow-off valve. Oops. That's not. I didn't mean to pay for that. Personal favorite. This is what I've actually been waiting for. This took them about a month to make. They custom fabricated this in-house to my specific turbo build. Oh my God, yes! Oh, this is so nice. Yes! Oh my God, dude. That is so sick. Okay, say hello to the turbo manifold, boys. Oh, that was loud. This is good stuff. What in the hell? Wow, I think this is a massive heat shield for the intake, maybe? Or something. Maybe. I literally have no idea. It's a metal plate that's black. Ooh, that's a big pipe. Oh, the down pipe, yes! MA Performance also had to custom fabricate this, and the turbo is literally gonna V-band right onto there, and damn. Hello! This is sick! This is like Christmas, but like so much better than any Christmas I've ever had. This is my external wastegate, maybe? Maybe? That's a dump? Some sort of dump. I don't know, but that's gonna be loud. And then I've got a bunch of hoses and hose clamps and some kind of AN line and some more fittings for everything else. Gasket. K'ing in, brother! K'ing in, brother! Ain't nothing like no daggum K'ing in. And that is it. Those are the final parts that I have been waiting for. I think I ordered those a little over a month ago. I actually want to sit in this box that I just received and give a special shout out to the sponsors of this build. The 2 big sponsors for this build are going to be Works, which is the shirt that I'm wearing. They provided a full fuel system. They provided the injectors and fuel pump. And I have a radium fuel rail and a couple other things for fuel system as well. But Works supplied that. And then Action Clutch provided a 6-puck sprung clutch with iron buttons. It's a super nice clutch. They provided that, so huge thank you to both of you guys. And then my partial sponsors, I have Comp Turbo and MA Performance. Thank you guys as well. I'm excited to work with all of you individually on the channel, and I just want to say thank you guys for allowing my Evo to be exactly where I want it and help me out a little bit. It's so funny. I was talking to Victoria, I was like, I kind of want to get all the trash out of the garage so I can make like a nice array of my parts, and she's like, oh, don't worry about it, I got it. I was like, she's so excited. She has her rain boots. She's like, she just goes and gets her rain boots and her 5-3 windbreaker. It's water resistant. And that's why. Oh, no wonder you wanted to take out the trash. After we literally take everything possible out of that engine bay, pretty much. So here we go. This right here is gonna be connected to this. So it'll be like, I don't know if it's that way, but something similar to that. This this downpipe. It's gonna be V-banded right there. And then this big whale penis boy over here is gonna go I don't know, this. So there's an adapter for the silicone tube that goes down like from this up to that size. So that's gonna be the intake, I think, or something like that. I really don't freaking know. I've shown you guys before, I've got all the intercooler piping and stuff over there. I've got the whole intercooler. I am literally going to be doing a bigger intercooler, different fuel system, a bigger turbo, different exhaust manifold, different intake. Literally everything. So everything you see right here, we're gonna start ripping apart. My main goal today is I want to get the car obviously lifted up, take the front clip off, for those of you, my boys over there in the UK, and I'm gonna maybe take off the intake or something like that. Look at all this! This is big boy toys right here. It's funny, I've read online that people like there's a lot of complaints online about how hard it is to take off an Evo 10 bumper. It's literally so easy. That's one of the easiest bumpers I've ever taken off. You guys are wimps, dude. Alright, I do have to say that the bumper was way harder to take off than the actual bumper guard, or whatever you want to call it. We finally got her kind of taken apart, and I now need to kind of organize my garage. As cool as it is looking at these nice big boy toys right here, I need to have a nice clean garage to work in over the next week. One big bummer, not a big bummer, but I'm actually going to be leaving and going out of town tomorrow. So this is going to be paused for you guys for about 3 days. We paused for about 4 days, but good news is, tomorrow we're going to pick up the car. It's finally going to be ready. It's going to be tight. But I need to figure out how to clean this up and clean this garage up a little bit. Get this figured out. I got to figure out where the hell to put that thing. And oh man, this is so good. I'm so excited to finally be building this myself. Boys, you have no clue. Ah, there we go. On an exception for a few tools, this garage is nice and clean. I can actually have the Lexus in here, and I mean, I don't want to share my excitement. I've never personally done this much work on a car before. I did a lot to this car to get it running, and that gave me a lot of experience, but this is the first time I've ever done a big turbo build by myself, and I hope you guys are excited to have that on the channel. In case you guys don't know, I'll go over some of the specs. It's a custom turbo kit from MA Performance, and it's made for my 6262 ball bearing comp turbo. For right now, because the motor is stock and I did buy the car at 135,000 miles, I'm gonna try and sit right at below 500, and this turbo is gonna be more than capable of doing that. Basically, my plan is to blow this motor on like 450, 500 horsepower, and then build the motor, and after I do that, go ahead and get a whole new fuel tank, or not fuel tank, surge tank for the car, and then go up to 600, 700, because the fuel system, like everything's gonna be good. on this car to go up to like 700 except for the surge tank and the internals of the motor. So it's gonna be a very, very fast Evo, and I'm excited about that. It'll be really cool, but I'm also like, I want it to be fast, but I also want it to be clean and cool and like car show kind of worthy, kind of the showstopper. And I'm excited, and you guys have made it possible for me, and I just want to say thank you for that. I was never able to do this with my Subaru, and it's something I always wanted to do. Here's the plan. Whenever Puppy! Hi! When I get back this next week, I'm going to literally just basically start disassembling the whole motor. I'm gonna get the intercooler off, the intake off, the exhaust manifold off, the downpipe off. I'm gonna get most of the exhaust completely off. I'm gonna take the turbo out, I'm gonna take the fuel system out and stuff like that. I'm gonna completely disassemble it. Then I'm probably gonna go ahead, since everything's apart, I'm probably gonna start with the fuel system. Then I'll probably just start bolting stuff on from there. I mean, it's fairly simple. It really is pretty easy. And then I'm gonna have a shop do my clutch because I don't feel like doing it, and then I'm gonna get it tuned. But I'll just basically piece everything together, and I'll probably make a whole week's worth of videos for it. I'm gonna try to get it done as soon as possible, but I'm gonna take my sweet time so that one, you and I can learn together, and two, I also just want it to be done really well. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, and I hope you guys are as well. This Evo is gonna be nasty. Yeah, well, my Lexus definitely just set off my Porsche's alarm. Whoops. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm so excited to get started on this build. Obviously, I hope that's shown through the videos, and I hope you guys are excited to tag along with me. I will catch you guys not tomorrow, the next week. I'll be revealing my new car. Again, it's from the 90s, it's black, it's rare, they don't make it anymore, and it's manual. Anyways, peace out, boys, and be victorious.